In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create deals in HubSpot. To get started, open HubSpot and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you can access the different tools inside your account, including your sales and CRM features. Once you're in, look to the main navigation and click on CRM. This menu is where HubSpot organizes core relationship and sales data, so it's the right place to begin when you want to create and manage opportunities. From the CRM menu, click on Deals. This will take you to your Deals workspace, where you can view existing opportunities and track them through your sales process. If your team uses multiple pipelines or custom views, this area helps keep everything organized in one place. Once you're on the Deals page, click Add Deal. This opens a slide-out panel where you'll enter the information for the new deal. Take a moment here to fill out the form carefully because the details you enter will help with reporting, forecasting, and team visibility later on. Start with the deal name. Give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize at a glance. A good deal name makes it much easier for you and your team to scan the pipeline and know exactly what opportunity you're looking at. Next, choose the pipeline and stage. The pipeline should match the type of sales process this opportunity belongs to, and the stage should reflect where the deal currently stands. This is especially important because HubSpot uses stages to help track progress and provide a clear snapshot of your sales activity. After that, enter the amount. This is your estimated revenue for the deal. Even if it's only a projection for now, adding an amount helps with forecasting and gives your pipeline more meaningful business value. Then select the close date. This should be the expected date when the deal is likely to be finalized. Keeping this field updated is helpful for planning ahead and making sure your reports reflect realistic timelines. You'll also want to associate records by linking the deal to the appropriate contact and company. This gives your team full context, so anyone reviewing the deal can quickly understand who it's connected to and which business it belongs to. Once everything looks good, click Create. Your new deal will now be added to HubSpot and placed into the selected pipeline and stage, ready for tracking and follow-up. And that's it. That's how to create deals in HubSpot efficiently and keep your sales process organized from the start.